Hello. In this session, we are going to discuss how to get inactive report. So, in the software, when the device stop communicating with the server, that is lost of the signals and doesn't transmit any data on a server, then that particular vehicle goes into the inactive status. That is by default in the system we have set for 60 minutes when the device stop sending the data for 60 minutes, then it is considered as the inactive in the software. But now, apart from that, in the case, you can set your own inactive consideration time into the company rule as well as the reseller rule. So in that rule, if you have set any specified time, then system will wait for that time, and accordingly based on that, system will consider that object as a inactive in the software. So based on that inactive considerations in software, there are the report that is available into the report in activity and in the inactive report. So currently we are on to the inactive summary report where based on that information that is appear, that is which object of it company and a branch, accordingly what driver was available, and the IMEI number of that object, and how many number of a time the particular vehicle went for an inactive dead count information will appear. Accordingly what was the durations of an inactive time will get reflected, and also the filters that are selected which can be set as per your convenience, that is for which company in a branch, according to which vehicle group, vehicle type, brand and a model can be selected with the dates and a vehicle, that the list of the vehicles. Now based on the selections of a summary record, in the case if you want to view the detailed information, that is possible as well. When you double click the record, the detailed information will appear with its vehicle number and name. Accordingly, the IMEI number, that is from with its from date time and a to date time. Now, based on that, the order that will be maintained for the sequence into the software, that is number of account. Accordingly, whether at that time the power was on or off, that information will be reflected. Also, GPS on or off, that will be reflected as well. Based on that, the inactive time with its date will be appeared at what time the inactive was occurred, and also the inactive location will get appeared. Based on that, the inactive time and active location information will get reflected, and also how much inactive durations was been that information will be reflected as well. Now in the case if you want to view that particular point onto the map, that is where exactly the particular vehicle went for a inactive, that is possible as well. So when you click on a show on a map, the system will directly plot that point onto the map and find the information that at that location the particular vehicle went as a inactive. So here an address what will be appear in a reflected location point. Now in the case if you get the information like this is the point where the vehicles are getting inactive, then in that case you can create the addresses as well as the geofence as well. So based on that address or a geofence, you can set some alerts as well in the software, so that in the case whenever you can get a warn when that particular vehicle goes at that location, then system will generate the alerts, and accordingly you can find the information that these are the inactive area zone where the vehicles get inactive. So likewise you can create the address and a geofence at that point. So based on that, the summary and detailed information of the inactive reports are available in software. Thank you.